Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Want to create a group chat on Instagram and start chatting with multiple friends at once? Just follow my steps and watch the video until the end to ensure you get it right. Let's get started. Swipe to access your messages or DMs by tapping on the paper plane icon at the top right corner of your Instagram home screen. In the messages section, tap on the plus icon or the new message button. You'll be prompted to enter the names or Instagram usernames of the people you want to include in your group chat. Start typing and select the friends or family members you want to add. For this video, I'll add 2 people, but you can include as many as you like. Once you've selected everyone you want in the group, tap on Chat or Create Group Chat to finalize. Your new Instagram group chat will be created, and you can start sending messages right away. If you want to customize your group chat, you can tap on the chat name at the top to add a chat photo or change the group name. And that's it. Creating a group chat on Instagram is quick and simple. If this video helped you, leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.